In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick and easy technique for removing backgrounds in Photoshop. Whether you're working on a professional project or just having some fun, this method will help you get a clean, polished look in no time. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open Adobe Photoshop. If you're new to Photoshop, it's a powerful tool used by designers and photographers worldwide. Once you have it open, go ahead and add your image. You can do this by dragging and dropping the image file directly into Photoshop or by selecting File and then Open from the top menu. Simply locate the image file you want to work with and open it. Now, with your image loaded up, let's focus on selecting the part of the image you wish to keep. Photoshop offers several tools for making selections, and a great one for this purpose is the Magic Wand tool. You can find it in the toolbar on the left. It looks like a magic wand, hence the name. If you don't see it, you might need to click and hold the quick selection tool to reveal it. Once selected, click on the subject you wish to isolate. For more complex images, you might find using the Select Subject option under the Select menu helpful because it automatically makes a selection for you based on the image's content. After you've made a selection around your subject, the next step is to copy it. To do this, hold down the Control key and press C. This copies the selected area. Now for the paste operation, press Ctrl and V. This action will create a new layer with just your selected subject on it, leaving the background behind. The background layer is likely still visible, so let's move on to removing it. You can simply click on that background layer in your Layers panel to select it. Once selected, press the Delete key. Voila! The busy or unwanted background is gone, leaving only your subject against a transparent or new background. And there you have it, your subject, perfectly cropped and free from any distracting elements in the background. This method comes in handy for creating professional graphics, thumbnails, or any creative projects where a clean, isolated subject is crucial. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to try this technique on different images to see how it works with various backgrounds and subjects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.